In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Canva linked and ready to use inside ChatGPT, so you can quickly create visuals without switching tabs. Start in the ChatGPT interface. Look down to the bottom left corner where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click that to open your account menu. From here, choose Settings. This opens a panel with different sections for your account and features. Find and select the Apps section. This is where you manage all the tools you can add to ChatGPT. Inside Apps, click Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both options take you to the same place, a directory where you can find and enable integrations. At the top, there's a search field. Click into the search bar and type Canva. The Canva app should appear in the results almost immediately. Select Canva, then click Connect. ChatGPT will open a secure Canva login window or redirect you to Canva's official sign-in page. Log into your Canva account the same way you normally do. If you're already signed in on your browser, it may skip straight to an authorization screen. Review the connection details and confirm to authorize access. This step simply allows Canva and ChatGPT to talk to each other so you can use Canva features from your conversations. Once you've authorized, you'll be returned to ChatGPT, and Canva will show as connected or installed in your apps list. That's it. The connection is complete. From this point on, you can access Canva from within ChatGPT whenever the flow supports it, saving you a lot of back and forth. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're connecting the Canva account you actually use for your projects, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If the login window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. If you don't see the Apps section yet, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in. Availability can depend on updates and region, and if you ever need to change accounts later, you can return to Settings, open Apps, disconnect Canva, and then reconnect. That's the entire process. Open your profile, go to Settings, head into Apps, Explore or Add More, search for Canva, click Connect, log into your Canva account, and you're done. Enjoy creating designs directly alongside your chats.